Hi, I'm Juliet. Even when you haven't finished your manuscript in Scrivener 3 for Windows, you might want to print out a single document, or the whole thing. There are a couple of ways you can do that. The first option is on the writing page, where you can print out using the File menu. If you go into File and Print Preview, you can see a representation of your printout, and also change some of the settings before printing. There's also a dedicated setup option and a dedicated print setting option, but unless you're printing something more complex than a novel, you probably won't need to go into the latter. The other option is to use Compile. This is where you set up your manuscript for printing or ebook and paperback compilation. You'll see a proof copy option in the left-hand column. Click on it, and in the central column you'll notice that this is a double-spaced proof, usually used for editing purposes. You can use this without making any changes to either print out a copy directly from Scrivener or compile to Word and print from there. I would always compile to Word so that I can check the compile is what I want. And this also gives you the opportunity to delete anything you don't want to print, change margins, etc. Once you've done that, you can simply press Compile and your proof copy will be printed or created.